How to delete your address on Amazon. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from App Guide, and in this guide video I'll show you the way as to how you can delete your addresses on Amazon. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. First of all, just make sure that you have either downloaded or updated the Amazon app to the latest version. And you can do this by heading over to your respective app store, in the search box typing in Amazon, and go ahead and simply either download or update the application. Once you've updated the Amazon app, I want you to go over and then simply open it up. The next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account, and after you are logged in, you can see that this is how the interface is going to look like. If you want to change the address or delete your address, it's very simple. Just tap on your account option at over here, which looks like this profile icon at the bottom. Once you go to this profile icon, you'll see all this type of options. What you have to do is just select the option that says your account, which is at the very top of the screen. Once you go to the your account page, you will see all this type of options. Now here, you simply have to scroll and look for the option called your addresses. As you could see over here, it says your addresses, so I'll just select it up. Once I select your addresses, you will be able to see a list of addresses that you've added. So in order to remove them, all you have to do is tap on the remove button over here. It will ask you for a confirmation. Are you sure that you want to delete this address? So tap on the yes button. Once you tap on the yes button, you can see that your address has been removed. Similarly, if you have multiple addresses added over here, just go ahead and tap on remove and repeat the process for all the other addresses. If you want to add a new one, you can go ahead and do it right from this page as well. And this is how you can delete your address on Amazon. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.